Audio Jungle.
How are you?
Fan.
Okay. What is your name?
Parvesh Chingchi.
Chingchi. What Chingchi?
Chingchi is like Tota Corolla. You watch Sanduki? Kick up?
Sanduki means?
Sanduki company, Marasa D's. You know? Kick up Saman, backside, open.
Okay. What is your father name?
Rashid Speakerala.
Speakeruella?
Yes, speaker.
What Speakeruella?
ਕਿਹੜਾ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ ਹੈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਨਾ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਪੀਕਰ hello hello mic testing hello 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 Jonas and my father is a mechanic TV backside pechkas open and pechkas rakhi TV jealous mean सड़ गया.
Tell me about education.
Oh, education is everywhere here. You know, every street and gully, there are lot of schools. हर तीसरे college. You know, every school is very good, heavy visa, but बच्चे is total kids, every glad.
No. I mean your education.
I have done matriculation 2nd division. And my father at that time was very glad. And every man in our street, my father give motichur laddu. And kushi. Happiness. You know, my father is very happiness. Motichur बाज बंदे त्रै किन्नी नसी गए.
Why for England?
मी पहले पता था तू इंग्लिश ही नहीं आनी. नकम्मा आदमी भेजा ने हमारे सामने. पहले भी इंटरव्यू एक नकम्मे ने मैंने रिजेक्ट होया. ओए ई फॉर इंग्लैंड उधर पढ़ना रहे रहा सुनिया.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Wedding. You know wedding. Flancy there. Half marriage done, semi done. And half, you know, ring, wearing my finger, ring golden. जे पैसे भी देने सुनियारे ने 35,000 रुपया वाकया 15 देते. हाँ, understand?
Why are you so confident about visa?
Because love has no boundary, you know. ताड़ी कोई मशूक थी मंगेतर टैप तुझे पता लगा है.
You got it, man.
Glad Floncy. Thank you.